Hello friends, welcome here at TNV Academy. The clause 6 has total 7 subclauses and some subclauses has also subclauses like 6.2 have total 3 subclauses. But here in this session, we will only talk about clause 6.1, that is General of ISO 19011-2018. In this session, we will understand the clause 6.1 General Conducting of Audit of ISO 19011-2018. Now, we will understand the outcome of this chapter. After understanding this chapter, you will understand how management system audit can be conducted. Now, we will talk about the small introduction of this chapter. In this clause 6.1 General Conducting an Audit, we will discuss the guidance for conducting a specific audit of management system standard. Now, we will understand requirement of the clause as per the standard. Clause 6.1 General. This clause contains guidance on preparing and conducting a specific audit as a part of an audit program. Figure 2 provides an overview of the activities performed in a typical audit. The extent to which the provisions of this clause are applicable depends on the objective and scope of the specific audit. Now, we will explain that what clause requirement says. This clause explains the requirement for preparing and conducting a particular management system audit. Here is the figure for typical process of collecting and verifying information. This figure defines the method for collecting the information. As the figure explains, firstly, the information is collected from the source, that is client, and information collected on sampling basis, and then audit evidence and information which is collected from the client and interested parties will be evaluated against the audit criteria, which would be defined by the individual managing the audit program, and then some of the audit findings raised by the audit team after evaluating the audit evidence, and then that evidence and findings reviewed by the audit manager, and then final audit conclusion is given by the audit team. The audit members and technical expert cannot raise the non-conformities at first. They will discuss the findings with the audit team leader, then he or she will assess and then decide that they have to give findings on that particular point or not. So this is the whole explanation of process of collection and assessing the audit. I sincerely thank you all for your interest and attention. Thanks and best wishes.